So as you can see, this is the interface of my app. I'll be my AdSense and AdMob this thing. This is my any. So I just decide to let go of it. I actually make this anyone around March before my Google Console account got terminated. Let me show you my Google Console. You can see this is not just a screenshot. You can see I have $9 here, and I'm going to send the app to the platform so we can test it, and by just viewing it, and if it actually work, and we are going to see the earnings here. So let me quickly go to name the accounts. Let me go to payments so that it will show my information here. As you can see, payments AdSense account Nigeria, but I still have the other AdSense. You can see my earnings here, $9. So this account is just new that I got this account. I got this account this year. So now, sorry, last year. And as you can see the earning. So look at it, just and look at the name. This is actually my name. So that's all. So this is the interface of my AdMob, and let me show you some of the app. So this app, this 21 way to make money online, was actually the app that generates me that $9. And as you can all see, on our first video I show you how when it was showing ads. This first one and also this Santa City run is currently showing ads. So I just have to remove some of the apps since my account got terminated. Let me take you to my account. Sorry. Let me quickly. So here is my developer console. I actually uploaded app for someone else, and which I never knew that the app, they now strike my account. So this was the app I uploaded for that person. You can see. So as you can see, my account got terminated. Look at it there at Bidatech. So blah 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 blah. Account terminated. Developer accounts remain terminated due to prior violation, something like that. So this was the reason that my account got terminated. So I actually upload one app for someone like that, and it led to my account terminated. So, and the person, I don't know what's happened to the person, although we used to collect a contract like that, we that have old console, because I have this console now since around 2020, right after I got one of my previous one terminated. This is just the spare one, as in this is the backup one, and now this one also got terminated. So but I'm looking forward to get another one any moment from now till next week. So I was trying to get it before this training, but I tried using paying, but I was having some challenges. So I just have to carry out the training like that. I will have. So maybe before we start up the uploading, we should be able to. So now I want to quickly tell you again. This is the I just got email now. I just got email now regarding to console again. So if you want to upload your app, and you want your app to show ads, you need to make use of the alternative. If you don't have money to pay for the $25 to pay for Google console, for the Google Play Store, you can make use of Amazon, Oppo app, and Samsung, Vivo, and Xiaomi Get app. So this morning I apply for this now, and as you can see, I just got the email just now that their developer so that it's honored to inform you that your account has been approved. You can log into your Oppo developers, submit your work, app, games and fonts like that. So now any app I create now, like that's Yoruba quiz now, I'm going to repackage it, and once I repackage it, I'll take it to this Oppo, and once I take it to this Oppo and they approve it, hopefully they will surely approve it, and from there I will now integrate ads. It will now start showing us, then I will now market it. Our next class will be how we can start getting traffic to our apps. So see you in our next class. Jess.